I surprisingly got another package in the mail. If you saw my other video, I got one of the Truck Legend boxes, and I reviewed all this stuff in it. So just full with a bunch of goodies, cards, stickers, today I received another one. I didn't see any videos on here about it, so I figured might as well show it. So here it is. Like I said, I got it today. I didn't even expect to get it. And here's the card. Basically telling me Happy New Year's and all the usual stuff. So pause the video and read that if you want to, but I'm going to try to make this one short. I opened it earlier. I was thinking maybe it might have been like a wallet or something. Just a tin. And inside is cards. What confuses me is they don't look to be truck cards. I didn't even open the pack. I wasn't gonna. But for YouTube's sake, I guess I will. So, let's get this open. I'll just open the top of the thing so I can maybe put them back in after we're done recording here. Actually, from what I can tell already, they're alright quality. They're not thick. Let's see what's on there. Nothing really besides the Joker cards. They say Truck Legend. That's odd. I mean, it's cool that they sent them. Now we're getting some. The first Chevy pickup. Yep, it says 1929 Chevy International Series AC Light Delivery. There we go. This one says 1955 Chevy 3124 Series Custom Carrier. Pretty cool. Then we have the 1973 Chevy C30 one-ton dually. It's pretty cool. And then we have the brand new Silverado. It says 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. I don't know. Comment below. Do you guys like the new style of the truck? At first I was kind of, but I've been to the dealership and I looked at them and I must say they're pretty nice. I don't know about any time in the future. I did have, if you follow my channel, I had a brand new at the time 16 Silverado. Yeah, that's the El Camino. So it's a truck car. I mean, I'll give them that. But yeah, that's pretty neat. I wasn't expecting to get these. They're kind of flimsy. I probably wouldn't play with them. They look almost like they'd be the quality of a bicycle brand card, but they're really, really thin. But it's cool though. I really appreciate it. I mean, thank you, Chevrolet. So, well, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It's cold here in PA, so stay warm. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.